And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, viewer subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. And what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard. So it's a new blizzard. They drop it for the fall. They drop five blizzards, and I will be trying all five. So this is the first one. So Snickers Doodle cookie dough. I mean, you guys already know I'm a fan of Snickers, so I'm sort of wondering how this is gonna taste, because it said Snickerdoodle cookie dough. So this should be a really interesting flavor. I can't wait to see what it's gonna taste like. And yeah, this is medium. So they dropped five new flavors blizzard for the fall. So you guys already know your boy's gonna be on each and every one of them. So this always seems to amaze me. Yeah, so this one is the first one that I'm trying. I think this is the second one. No, they dropped six. Yeah, they dropped six. So this is the second one that I am trying. So this should almost be okay. Because, like, yo, everywhere is turning up for the fall right now. It's not even fall. It's like the beginning of September. But I guess everywhere is coming out with stuff before the season begins. So people can, like, go there and, you know, try stuff and get stuff going. It's crazy. Can't wait to see what they're going to have in the winter. So, here we go. Let's see if this will be delivering just like how a regular Snickers, because for me I think like chocolate chip and Snickers, those kind of chocolate is what I like enjoy. Because when I saw this I was like Snickerdoodle, I was like Snicker, first thing that came to my mind was like a Snickers bar, so I was like maybe there's Snickers inside it, cookie dough, I don't know. So here we go. Mm-hmm. Okay. See what you're doing. And this is what I like. I like when they give us new stuff to try. Mm. This is actually not bad at all. Mm. Like, I think it really is a Snicker, but you know, like I think it's like shredded. It's like maybe flavored. Hmm. Yep, I think it's like shredded, but it doesn't really taste like a Snicker bar. I guess it's like flavored. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. Okay. Dairy Queen, I see exactly what you're doing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. And it has some, like I said, cookie dough. You have some like things like that, like small stuff inside it. Like you want to taste like Snicker just a little bit. Good thing it didn't say Snickers bar. Okay. Couple more, then I will conclude my thoughts. Mm-hmm. I give this literally 8 out of 10. Like, it's delicious. Like, it's delicious. And so, Snickerdoodle cookie dough. Mm. Like, it's sweet, but not extra, like say, not extremely sweet, where you need some water right after. But definitely delivering. And that's what I like. I like when, let me stop now. 8 out of 10, and that's what I like. I like when I try stuff and I can taste like the flavor inside it. Like the Snickerdoodle cookie dough, like I can taste the Snicker flavor, and there's like small doughs, cookie, I guess that's like the cookie dough, obviously. Small cookie doughs inside it. That's like, it's not say too sweet, but manageable. You guys must be like, you just said you're gonna stop eating and I look at you. Wow. At this point, I don't control what I'm doing. But it was literally delicious. 8 out of 10, hands down. And it is a fall flavor, so you might want to get it before it's gone, because it is gonna go away. Because it said 5 new flavors for fall, but they put one separate because they have one that's like pumpkin pie, different from the fall flavor. So I don't know, maybe the pumpkin pie is like the blizzard of the month, and then they have their fall already been digested, and then they have their fall promotion. So I guess the pumpkin pie is like for the month, because I think every month they rotate blizzards. But I think all this is for the fall. So maybe by say October they will have a different flavor blizzard, but they will still have these 5 for the fall. I think that's what they're doing. But come on, bro. But this was actually delicious. 8 out of 10, hands down. It was yummy. Make sure you get it before it's gone. I recommend it. Strongly recommend it. You will enjoy this. And if you got kids, kids will enjoy this too. So there you guys have it. I've tried Snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard, new blizzard, and it was actually delivering. I really enjoyed it. 8 out of 10, hands down. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, and before I finish, like I've said, it is for the fall, so it is limited edition. Make sure you get it before it's gone. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Your boy will be back trying and doing a bunch of stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.